Welcome to our Clarius booth at Automechanika 2025 here in Dubai. I'm excited to show you around what we have prepared for this year's show. Come with me. First of all, our new VARTA product portfolio. So we have AGM products always in gold, we have EFB products always in silver, and we have our SLI products always in blue. On top of this, we are presenting our Optima lithium product line, with our highlight, the new Optima racing battery. For our customers, we have prepared a digital experience where they can experience our brand offerings directly on their own on this digital table. On top of that, and last but not least, we have a really cool and cozy hospitality area for good conversations with our customers. And on top of that, we are offering the best coffee at the whole trade fair. So thank you for following me around. Stop by if you are in Dubai in the next 3 days in our home base or contact us.